Hi students, today's my lecture is about to how to convert the date into day column and then into month column. Here you need the column of date here, and go to the add column tab, and then go to the date tab in this form. First of all, you will select this date column which you want to convert, and go to the date tab like this. And here I want to let you know how to convert the day name. So you come to day tab here, and then go to name of day. When you press name of day, here you will see that you get the day name against each date. After that, I will also need to put the name of month. So I will go to the date tab like this, and then go to the month, and here then go to the name of month like this. So here you will get the name of month here. It's very easy, but quite important task. So thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.